The autonomous vehicle industry and their trucking company partners are getting it wrong when it comes to autonomous vehicles and winning public trust. Rather than focusing on safety with autonomous vehicles, you should focus on these two things. First thing is a more streamlined, more robust supply chain. I'm in Texas and I just spent $210 at the grocery store getting ready for this winter storm that's hitting this week. Having a more streamlined supply chain will definitely decrease what I spend and what others spend at the grocery store. Now, the other thing that you should lead with is better pay and better jobs for those already in the trucking industry and for those that are looking to get in the trucking industry. As someone who spent the last 26 years in transportation, in aviation, and in trucking, I've seen a fair share of change, and I know that change starts with sharing the with them. What's in it for me? Sharing the with them and sharing what skills they need to be working on right now to help better integrate their careers with autonomous vehicles will only help in building public trust and being more transparent about what's to come. While I know I shouldn't be doing all the work, I'm going to take the charge. I'll be hosting a free workshop to help truck drivers and transportation professionals prepare for this shift to autonomy. If you want to learn more about my communication plan, DM me.